Got the cameras, y'all. Got the cameras, porque honestamente, this shit is not PG no more. Hey Pookies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be trading services. If you guys enjoy beauty, vlogs, lifestyle, honestly just anything girly, I'm here for you. So you should probably subscribe for more videos. I will be doing weekly uploads. I'm gonna go ahead and unload my car and I will see you guys once I'm inside, probably like setting everything up. So okay guys, so I'm in here. She's not here yet, but she told me to just come in and go ahead and prep. But her place is so cute. Like this is where she does the nails. It's so cute. And then that's where she does pedicures. But I'm gonna set up right here, which that's where I set up last time, so I think I should be good. But I'm gonna prompt you guys so you guys can see me setting up, and then we'll just go from there.
Girl, you like a flower. I wanna give you.
I think she's here. She's here. What's up? What's up? I know. Hey y'all.
Dude, tell me why I asked for a freaking large and me dieron esa
That's
cosa.
perfect.
Dude, I was like, yes, eso. I was so
Thank you.
Turn around.
Day 5 is
It's like
crazy.
healthy.
Right? Well, that's the thing. Day 5 is usually like the worst day because it's like day 6 I wash it.
Mine was on like day 3 today, but bitch, my curls are too fucking curly right now. And
You
like,
have good curls.
it was like uno. It looked like I had cachos because I have like small curls here, and it's like así. And, like,
Yeah, your
this was,
curls
like,
are curly. Hey, that's Andrea. I haven't introduced her yet. That's my girl, Andrea. She's the one that does the nails. Okay. She eats.
Guys.
She eats every time.
guys.
Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep the stuff that I got. And today we're doing like more of a natural, like spiky wispy look, right? I have her trace here, and this is 8 through 12Ds, and these up here are 15s. They're like all over the place, but she's the only one that I travel for right now, so these are all her trays.
Yeah, guys, book your appointments with your friend. Get like a group of 3, and she'll travel to your house.
Maybe. So I have my mask. I brought one of these to put my products on top. So I have my fan, my tweezers, PLA.
Sponsor her.
PLA, you guys already know. I'm using the Vegas Super Bond right now because I ran out of my PLA bonder, so we're using the Vegas. I use the Flex adhesive by PLA. This is the best glue I've tried. These are my eye patches, and since we are doing like a wispy textured look, I brought multiple eye patches because we will be layering. A cotton pad to wash her lashes, and I brought spoolies, micro swabs, lip applicators, which the lip applicators are the ones that I use to wash their lashes. Brought some glue rings, hand sanitizer. I brought my water, and then I brought some PLA lash wash, my heart-shaped mirror so that I can see different beauty, and I brought some tape and little scissors. I brought an Ashley mirror for her to see herself when we're done. Okay guys, so everything is prepped and ready. She got me an iced chai latte, but we're gonna get started. I'm just gonna fast forward the actual process of doing her lashes because we have a long day ahead of us. So I will see you guys when I'm lashing her. Okay, we're gonna start now.
Like, they're gonna be fuck you, shut the fuck up. I don't give a fuck. Like, I don't give a fuck about now.
I don't think I can do phone sex. I'd be giggling. You've never had phone sex before? Fuck no, bitch. I'm too unserious for that shit. Not fucking Jersey. You're fucking done, bitch. Go on, Jersey Shore. Like, anyways. Y no, empieza a manosearme. I'm like,
¿Y vos qué te dejas?
Hago caso. A mí me han dicho que uno tiene que hacer caso.
Got the cameras, y'all.
Got the cameras, porque honestamente, this shit is not PG no more.
The other day I noticed that chin hair too. I got so scared. I was like, ay no, ¿qué es esto?
Is there?
No.
Are you sure?
I don't think so. Okay. Well, if you need baby wipes, there's baby wipes in la cosita arriba.
Okay, well, yo voy a... Don't care. I miss him. He don't...
Shut the fuck up. Keep flashing me right now. We just talked about like 4 different men and she just threw that random ass comment.
No, he don't watch my shit. I know he doesn't view my stuff because he removed me.
Oh no, honey.
Literally, I didn't do anything. I didn't even view his stories or nothing. We weren't even talking. I hadn't spoken to the man.
To him?
Yeah, last time, it's been almost a year since me and him last talked.
Damn.
Because he texted me around like for my birthday last year. But he broke my heart. You know, me kidding. Well, he had to block me. You can lazy.
You broke him. Where was this one from?
This was the first one.
Oh yeah, that one.
That was my man
Yeah.
for real.
This wasn't the vague.
Hell no. I'm gonna start like a podcast. Low key right now I'm kind of like testing it. Okay guys, she's gonna hold her fan. We're gonna let her fan here for about 2 minutes. It's 12:14, 2:16. Make sure you guys wait 2 minutes before applying your bonder. Okay, let's take this fan off. Let's take these tapes off. Okay, you ready to see yourself?
Yes, literally.
Here's your skull.
Yes, yes.
Guys, these are her lashes. Open. Blink. Super cute. Super simple, but it pops out a lot without it being overly dramatic. That's that. And I'm gonna clean up. She's gonna go get some food.
Yes, guys.
And you guys can see me clean up. Yeah. Because now it's nail time. She looks so pretty though.
I'm so tired.
So pretty. You guys already know I only go to pretty people. Like, okay, well, I'll see you guys once I'm cleaning up.
No, yo lo sé.
Okay, right now I'm gonna go ahead and just take the stuff to my car. They're on the phone right now. Oh, talking to her suegra. Oh my goodness, can I make it through here? People are like looking at me. I hate when people look at me, but it's okay. Right there. I'll put y'all down while I put this thing in here. Okay. Whew. It is so cold. Everything's in my trunk now. I'm about to go in there. I'll show you guys what we're gonna get to eat. Like, I don't know. Those people were like looking at me and I hate it when people look at me. And of course I'm wearing a skirt, so like I look good, but still, you know, like, why are you looking at me, Pookie? So Andrea went to go get some food. I'm just gonna go ahead and just touch up my makeup a little bit because I don't want like looking dead. Like, I pretty much smudged all of my makeup. It was bad, but I mean, yeah, que pues, gotta work with what I got now. Just clean up because I look like a mess. I'm gonna grab this. I just like to look good for when I get my nails done. Personally, it's my favorite thing to do is look good on nail day. Put some mascara on for these lashes because they're dying. They need some help. I have a whole little kit. Let's put that in the back. We're gonna blend a little bit here. Oh, guys, be careful. You see, that's my issue, and then I get a little carried away. Okay, we're just gonna leave that there before I get a little more carried away than what I should. This is from LA Colors. It's giving like a trashy makeup look. It's the eyes. Smudge that out, honestly, because it's the best option we have. Oh, it's so cold out there, bitch. I like your shirt a little like coat. We're gonna add some pink because I feel like my lips look too dark right now. Now I'm gonna take off using my mask that I'm done with. Now I'm gonna go in with the lip gloss, which I need a new one now.
Don't worry.
This is mine. Okay, so before we eat, I'm not gonna record while we're eating because we're in time. Yeah, we don't have time. But I'm gonna show y'all what she got and what I got. So what did you get?
So I got pollo loco from Mil Maguey, guys. I love their pollo loco. It has so much queso on it. And then frijolitos licuados, arroz, and then my nachos y salsa.
Okay.
Put a bunch down.
Me, I don't even know what I got yet. Hold on. Okay, it's a burrito. It's like in half though.
It's a wrap, my burrito wrap.
It's a burrito wrap. Pero por lo menos está en dos. So si no me lo acabo, me lo llevo. Okay, guys. So we just ate. She's coming back now. Okay. I'm gonna go wash my hands now. I will be back and I will let her try to explain the vision. Show you guys the before, maybe a few clips here and there of the process, and then the after. We're tucking my nails now, so
It'll be a process, but we'll get it. We'll fucking get it.
look at her lashes though.
So anytime she get a chance, bruh.
You're getting your nails done, you know, but you do her lashes, so you're like in there with the spoolie.
This girl.
This is my first time doing duck nails.
Oh yeah, guys. Yeah.
Is it her first time doing them?
Fuck yeah, and I don't even know. Like, I've been stressing about this for like 2 months, guys. I'm not even.
Because I told her.
Like, next time, don't even fucking tell me. Just
I told her, I was like, yeah, I want to do duck nails.
fucking show up.
These are the before. I will show you guys the process slowly, but surely. I'm so excited. Okay, guys, so she got the first hand on. We're doing duck nails today. I don't know if I'm gonna cut down or not.
I know y'all heard that go.
Y'all heard that go.
Like, girl, please have some.
I don't know. I'll think about it.
This finger looks like, you know that one, what's that one shit called whenever like frostbite, when your finger starts turning black? Like, what you?
Oh, because of my glue.
Yes, bitch. This bitch, what? You thought I was discriminating your finger? No, bitch. It's just a black frostbite that you got building up here. Like,
It's the nail glue. The lash glue. Okay, guys, it's the lash glue. Let me see.
No, look at it.
It's literally there.
No, I'm not even kidding.
That's not even glue.
What the fuck is that?
That's eyeshadow.
Bitch, bye.
Bitch, that's literally eyeshadow.
Like, you could have said something.
And you're over here calling it frostbite? Anyways.
Let's move on.
Okay, guys, so she got that on. That took what, 30 minutes?
Yeah.
To do this hair. Don't worry, she hasn't done anything. She just applied the acrylic. They're looking a little like they need help.
A lot.
But the
We'll get
acrylic
there.
is on. I have faith. I have faith in her. She hasn't let me down so far. Okay, guys, so she just finished applying this one. This one's still wet, so we're gonna be careful before she gives me an eye. Oh, it's really just shaping and making them pretty. I'm excited! Okay, guys, so they're shaped. I like them. I'm actually obsessed. She's not so happy with me, but but she's gonna do a good job like always. I'm so excited. But look, they're long. The shape she ate, okay? And I got that little C to them. I don't know, I feel like it emphasizes the duck shape. And I'm just sitting down now, you can see me. I have my jacket on because it's cold in here. She wants me to freeze. Look at her now. Hoy que le dio frío a ella, hoy lo va a aprender. Mírala.
Anyway.
Now it's time for the design. They have been acrylic was applied, the shape has been shaped, they're formed. Now it's time for the design. So I think that now I'm actually not gonna see you guys until the final product, because the design part is actually the fun part and like the final reveal. It's far away. I'm so excited.
Tuvimos que quitarle fucking el belt.
Yeah.
She looks so pretty, so bien summery con este fucking 2 degrees weather, pero bueno, por querer andar fucking maliciosa, no le fue bien. Casi se le cae el fucking piercing de but anyways, let's not say.
Mírala como es. Bien le gusta andar diciendo cosas de mí que son falsas.
Oh, yeah. Enseña la panza, quiero ver la marca.
No, it was embedded. I was like, I need your help.
She's like, oh, my piercing hurts. I'm like,
Girl.
okay, girl.
This is where we're at right now. So I'll see y'all. Okay, Pookies. So it's 6:42. But it's okay. It's okay. We're finishing now.
Yeah, you got a top coat, y'all.
My veins. Ooh, I got veiny hands.
Show me your bicep. Show your bicep.
Look. Ah!
Yeah, it goes up a little.
Yeah, it goes up. I'll have her take a video of my nails from her point of view, you know? Duck nails.
Oh my gosh.
Guys, ready for this one? Like, is it Winnie the Pooh? Then
5 hours and 4 minutes. What the fuck? Ashley, this fucking eye hurts. Anyways, guys, we got little like honey type shit, you know, honey pack. Let's not say Valentine's Day. And then we have corazoncitos, and then a little bit there, and then corazoncitos there. Show us your thumbs. She got little like honey, because you know what I mean. Tenemos más por acá en la vispita que viene a buscar. And Mr. Bonito. Okay, he's a little obeso porque we like fluffy people, okay? Yeah, you guys.
okay, Pookie, so that's pretty much it. I'm gonna just head home now. And I'm gonna do my outro con Andrea y su prima ya que está, you know, here with us porque she's next. It's late. I'm gonna let y'all go because I want her to, you know, finish what she needs to do. So if you guys made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Period, guys.
And book your appointment with Andrea.
And Ashley.
I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.